Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be showing you that how basically we can integrate the LightGallery.js kind of an application, gallery library inside your Vue.js application in browser. So LightGallery basically it's a library of JavaScript which allows you to basically display your images right here inside this advanced control, which have all these options, editor controls. You can rotate images, zoom images, you can share these images on social media, you can download full screen, zoom in. So you can see that this is a zoom in feature, this is full screen. We can even click the download button and we can also rotate these images, we can flip these images like this. We can share these images on Facebook, Twitter, Google Plus, Pinterest. So if you click on Facebook, it will redirect you. And this is the autoplay feature basically. And if you just click this feature, this gallery will automatically go on. You need not have to scroll. It will automatically scroll your images and display it to the visitors, to the website visitors. So this is the gallery, guys. Responsive. It is completely responsive on mobile devices, desktop, all these devices. You will see that. So someone is visiting your website on mobile phone, they can also see these images quite well. So this is a very fantastic library. I have shown many videos, so many live streams earlier how to integrate this Angular React.js in JavaScript in browser. But in this video I will be showing you how to do this inside Vue.js. So if you don't know about this libraries, just Google it. And basically this is the most famous library, LightGallery.js. They have their own website also. So I have given all the source code, guys, basically in the description of the video. Step-by-step instruction is given, all the source code is also given. So just go to the description and copy paste all the source code. So now let's get started. So for building this, guys, it's very easy. First of all, you just need to make an index.html file. And we will be using the Vue.js in browser side. We will not be making a project. We will simply make a LightGallery.js Vue.js example in browser. And for this, guys, you also need to include the CDN of Vue.js because we are using Vue.js in the browser. So basically we need the Vue.js CDN. So just copy this script tag. This script tag is given in the description of the video. So we have successfully copy pasted the Vue.js CDN. Now, guys, basically we will display these 4 images inside our gallery. So we need to add this sample HTML. Basically, let me just copy paste it. You can take any 4 images from the internet, guys. It is not mandatory that you take only the images that I am using here. You can take any images of your choice. So these are the 4 images that I am taking here. This is the first image, second image, third image, fourth image. Now let me add some styling to it so that it is looking good. So now to add some styling, we will make a style tag and we will now target the ID that we have given here, which is LightGallery, and we will target the LightGallery hash symbol. And inside this anchor tag, inside the image tag, we need to target these images. We need to display them. We need to first of all change the display to flex. We will float these images in the left position so that they appear next to each other. So if you do like this, if you just refresh, nothing will happen. Now to basically do this, it's very important that you just give it a width of 200 pixel. So if you just give it a width of 200 pixel, these images will display in a like structure. And also just give a height, fixed height of 200 pixel. So now these images are styling. You can see side by side it is appearing. And now we can just add a border radius also 50% to make it round. That's all. So this is the styling that we have given, guys. You will see. Now if I individually click these images, I need to basically initialize the gallery. So now to basically initialize the gallery, guys, you need to first of all include the CDN of image gallery.js. We need to add the CSS code here. Simply copy this CDN after the title, paste it. So we are pasting it. Now we need to write the JavaScript for initializing we need to write the Vue.js code. And for writing the Vue.js code, guys, we will initialize a new Vue.js application, new Vue, and inside this we will basically pass the element on which we need to embed our Vue.js application, we will pass the ID. So this ID we have given, guys, you will see we have wrapped off all the application inside the div tag, which is we have given the ID app here. So after this, put a comma here, and then data will be empty object, and then we will have the mounted property. This will be a callback function, and inside this you will basically use the view next tick function, and inside this function, guys, we will have basically a callback function, and inside this we will initialize the LightGallery library. So LightGallery, and inside this you will pass the reference, guys, wherever you need to embed your gallery. So we will pass the reference. We have given the ID to the, you will see, div element, which is LightGallery. So we will pass this reference like this, LightGallery, and then it takes an option. Basically, guys, if you pass this, it takes an options here, object here. So if you don't pass any sort of option, guys, so basically what will happen here, if you individually click these images, nothing will happen. You will see nothing will happen. We need to basically pass some options here. So to pass these options, it's very easy. We need to show the thumbnail of the image. So we will make the thumbnail to be true. So now what will happen? Let me inspect element. Let me see. It is saying LightGallery is not defined. I think we haven't pasted the CDN for. Okay. We do need to paste the CDN for LightGallery as well, guys. So simply paste it. I think we forgot to do that. We only copy pasted the CSS for LightGallery in the very top here. We also need to paste the CDN for LightGallery. So simply right before you paste the CDN for Vue.js, simply paste it for LightGallery as well. And now if you initialize, your download button will be shown here, and this is basically second, third, fourth. And similarly, one by one, guys, you can basically pass all the plugins. If you see here, basically we have various options. You also have the property animated thumbnail. We can make it true or false. And then, guys, we have the counter property, true. These are default values true, so we don't need to change this. Download button is also shown here, so you can even change it if you want to hide it. And now basically there is a share button if you want to share your images. For this you need to basically add the JavaScript for the share plugin. So what I can do is that I can copy paste all the CDNs for all the plugins out there. Simply copy it and right here paste it. So basically you will see thumbnail, full screen, zoom, share, rotate, video, autoplay. So all these plugins we have passed here. So one by one, what we can say, rotate to also true, video true, autoplay true, and zoom to true, full screen to true. So all these plugins we have passed here, guys. You will see that now if I see you can see that all these buttons are appearing here. This is a share button, this is the rotate button, this is the autoplay button, this is a zoom in button, this is a full screen button. You can see that. So now you can see that all these buttons are appearing here, and this is your image gallery, responsive, completely on mobile and desktop. You can integrate this inside your Vue.js applications like this. All the source code is given in the description of the video, guys. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I will be seeing you in the next live stream.